with multiple surgeries to one patient. No? So I did, first is breast augmentation, then liposuction of the arms, no? And Gore-Tex revision, Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So for the breast augmentation, I placed 400cc moderate plus implant, no? Para hindi masyadong ganon. Then I did liposuction sa arms para mas maliit. Then for her nose, I did revision because she has paraffin injection. Then she had silicone rhinoplasty. So may nakakapa pa rin siyang mga paraffin. So I have to remove it, no? Revise it. So tinanggal natin yung implant. Then we change it with Gore-Tex. Then I did the septal extension graft, no? For the tip, you can see that, no? Ang ganda po ng tip niya. Then the take-off, ang ganda po. May supported brake. That one, that is the brake. Then the tip, no? Almond-shaped nostrils. No? So I will see her after a week para makita natin yung result, no? And for bago ko makalimutan, I'd like to thank Mr. Ralph Paeng De Leon for my cap. No, bigay niya sa akin 'to, gift niya sa akin. Palagi daw siya naka-follow sa atin, no? Si Ralph is the brother of my brethren, Monchoy De Leon, and the son of or she, Reggie De Leon. Ralph, thank you very much. Another day, another surgery.